Hello everyone, I am Dinesh and today I will discuss top agriculture states in India. Agriculture in India is the essence of livelihood for around 58% of the population. Agriculture states in India growing with super quality food grains and other food items. The Indian agriculture industry is increasing at a high pace and continuously providing its contribution to world trade. India's grocery and food market is the sixth largest globally with 70% of the sales. Top crops producing states of India. First of all, West Bengal. Second, Uttar Pradesh. Third, Punjab. Fourth, Gujarat. Fifth, Haryana. Sixth, Madhya Pradesh. Seventh, Assam. Eighth, Andhra Pradesh. Ninth, Karnataka. And tenth, Chhattisgarh. Top 10 crops producing states of India. Here we are going to show agricultural production in India state wise. From that you get proper information regarding major crops of India. Let's have a look on the top 10 agriculture states in India. First of all, West Bengal. West Bengal is engaged in fruit production including mango, lychee, pineapple, guava and orange. West Bengal is the largest food grain producing state in India. It is known for its rice production, followed by Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, and Uttar Pradesh. With rice production, it is famous for jute, sesame, tobacco, and tea too. In West Bengal, rice its total production is 146.05 lakh tons on 2600 kilograms per hectare yield. It comes under rice producing states in India. West Bengal is engaged in fruit production including mango, lychee, pineapple, guava and orange. West Bengal is rich with food commodities. They produced almost all the items cauliflower, tomato, cucurbits, cabbage, okra and brinja. Rice, jute, and wheat are the main crops growing in West Bengal. In West Bengal, some spices produced chili, ginger, garlic, coriander, and turmeric. West Bengal comes under the top most agriculture states in India. Second one, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the largest hub for the sugarcane and sugarcane is the most produced crop globally. Uttar Pradesh come under the top farming states in India and the rank of Uttar Pradesh counted under major state-wise crop production in India: bajra, rice, sugarcane, food grains, and many more. It comes under the top wheat producing states in India, followed by Haryana, Punjab, and Madhya Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has 22.5 million tons of wheat and the weather conditions is appropriate for growing wheat. On 96 lakh hectares land used to grow wheat in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the largest of for the sugarcane and sugarcane is the most produced crop globally. Sugarcane grows under hot and humid climate conditions and Uttar Pradesh is best for that. It has 145.39 million tons of sugarcane and grows on 2.17 million hectares in the state. Third, Punjab. Punjab is the best to produce wheat, sugarcane, rice, vegetables, and fruits in Punjab. Punjab is the most fertile state on earth. It is best to produce wheat, sugarcane, rice, vegetables, and fruits in Punjab. Punjab is other name is the granary of India and India's breadbasket. Around 93% of the total productive land used to produce food grain in Punjab. Most of the area covered by wheat and paddy cultivation, and this area increases over the year. Punjab is the third largest farming crop producing state in India. It is known for its irrigation system and these are appropriate for farming. Punjab is the third largest producer of grains too. Gujarat. Gujarat produced cotton, groundnut, castor, bajra, tuar, green gram, sesame, paddy, maize, and sugarcane. Gujarat is the fastest growing state in India. This state adopted a wise development pattern. They invested in agriculture, energy, and industry. For that, they achieved a double digit growth. Gujarat's weather climate is variable, producing crops there is difficult. One strategy farmers can adopt there is to manipulate crop environments by advanced management for high yield. Gujarat produced cotton, groundnut, castor, bajra, tuar, green gram, sesame, paddy, maize, and sugarcane. And Gujarat produced cotton in a large scale, followed by Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Telangana. Here, groundnut grew too. Fourth, Haryana. Some top crops produced in Haryana are sugarcane, paddy, wheat, and sunflower. And the next farming state is Haryana. Haryana is one of the biggest contributors to agriculture. About 70% of the local engaged in agriculture. Haryana plays an important role in the green revolution in India. With all these, Haryana has a massive irrigation system. Some top crops produced in Haryana are sugarcane, paddy, wheat, and sunflower. And in India, it is the second largest producer of sunflower. Haryana involved in livestock farming too. There are 99.97 lakh livestock populations in India. India consumes milk products on a daily basis. It is a necessary diet. This comes under one of the top agriculture states in India. Fifth है मध्य प्रदेश. मध्य प्रदेश एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर produces 65% of the employment and it is 1/4 of the GSDP, gross state domestic product. Madhya Pradesh is known for its pulses production, followed by Maharashtra, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh. It is popular for soybean and garlic production too. Madhya Pradesh earned significant fame in pulse farming. Wheat and maize are the main sources of the earning of farmers in Madhya Pradesh, and other pulses are urad, soybean, and tuar. Madhya Pradesh has the largest area for that they have different climate and soil conditions. Best for a wide range of agriculture products. The agriculture sector of Madhya Pradesh is the backbone of the Indian economy. Madhya Pradesh agriculture sector produces 65% of the employment and it is 1/4 of the GSDP. GSDP का फुल फॉर्म है ग्रोस स्टेट डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट. अब नेक्स्ट नंबर है आसाम. Assam's almost economy is based on agriculture and 70% of the population is dependent on agriculture income for livelihood. Assam is highly dependent on agriculture in India. In comparison with other states, Assam comes under the least developed states. Assam's almost economy is based on agriculture and 70% of the population is dependent on agriculture income for livelihood. Tea consumed on a regular basis all over the world after water. Assam is popular for its tea production. It is the largest producer of tea in India, followed by Himachal Pradesh, West Bengal, and other North Indian states. The most famous type of tea in India are Nilgiri tea, Darjeeling tea, Assam tea, and Kangra tea. Assam grew 52% of the total tea production in India. Next, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh produced jowar, bajra, maize, ragi, tobacco, pulses, sugarcane, and others. In Andhra Pradesh, 62% of population engaged in agriculture. There is more focus paid on rice production. Andhra Pradesh contributes 77% of crop production in India, and more crops are jowar, bajra, maize, ragi, tobacco, pulses, sugarcane, and others. In Andhra Pradesh, from 1.5 million hectares of land used for horticulture, and from this allotted land, nearly 720,000 hectares used for fruit production. Next है कर्नाटका. Karnataka agriculture is the most important part of the overall economy. In Karnataka, agriculture is the most important part of the overall economy. Most of the population of the state is engaged in farming. The weather climate of Karnataka great support agriculture. Karnataka's kharif crops are rice, maize, moong dal, red chili, sugarcane, groundnut, soybean, turmeric, and cotton. Karnataka's rabi crops are mustard, sesame, barley, wheat, and peas. Karnataka comes under the top agriculture states in India. The state is popular for its coffee production, and it contributed 70% of the total production in India. Karnataka grew 222,300 metric tons of coffee. Chhattisgarh is popular for the rice bowl of Central India. इसे धान का कटोरा भी कहा जाता है. छत्तीसगढ़ इज पॉपुलर फॉर द राइस बॉल ऑफ सेंट्रल इंडिया. सम ऑफ द क्रॉप्स दैट आर produced in Chhattisgarh and rice, millets and maize. In Chhattisgarh, 77% of area used for rice production. Chhattisgarh is totally dependent on the rain. Only 20% of the total region is under irrigation. Fruit crops: lime, chestnut, guava, chiku, mango, and etc. Vegetable crops: cucurbits, cabbage, beans, cauliflower, etc. Spices: ginger, turmeric, methi, coriander, chili, garlic, etc. Flower: marigold, gladiolus, gaillardia, gladiolus, etc. Medicinal plants: jamarosa, Isitridora, Pamarosa, lemongrass. थैंक यू दोस्तों. यदि इसकी पीडीएफ आपको चाहिए तो आप मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल पर जाकर आप ले सकते हैं. लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगा. थैंक यू.